Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and peace. How are you guys? I am sure you all in good health. Before I start, I'm sure you all don't know me. There is a saying that you don't know and you don't love. Therefore, I wanted to introduce myself first. My name is Fasya Ferdina from Senior High School Wan Bunyu, Bulungan Regency, North Kalimantan. Ladies and gentlemen, before we begin this speech, let's give thanks for the presence of the Almighty God who gives you time and health so that I can enter the English speech contest. Ladies and gentlemen, at this contest, I will give a speech on the subject, why should humans explore Mars? Mars is the focus of a lot of scientific research on possible colonization of humans. The surface condition of Mars and the presence of water in the past make it the friendliest planet in the solar system than the Earth. Mars requires less energy per mass unit delta V to be achieved from the Earth than any other planet other than Venus. Ladies and gentlemen, mankind's permanent home on other planets including Mars is one of the most common science fiction themes. As technology advances and concern about the future of mankind on Earth are increasing, arguments in favor of the colonization of space are gaining momentum. Another reason to explore Mars includes economic interest. Long-term scientific research conducted by humans as opposed to robot races and curiosity only. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you a little bit about landing on Mars. NASA first delivered a Mars exploration robot named Mars Pathfinder delivered on December 4, 1996 and landed on Mars surface on July 4, 1997, recorded on NASA official website. And yet, as of July 30, 2020, NASA resumed its descent into a rover named onboard and successfully landed on Mars on February 18, 2021. With the help of the sophisticated robots and rover, NASA has recovered thousands of data, pictures, and videos of Mars that would naturally be visited by humans at the next time. A rover has been traveling for 7 months and launched from Earth on July 4, 2020 before a landing the point called the Jezero crater. According to the information from the NASA website, the fundamental purpose of the rover's launch was to collect evidence of past life on Mars and also to collect rock samples for later to be brought back to Earth. Ladies and gentlemen, the reason why humans are more interested in exploring Mars than in the Moon. 1. The Moon has always been visited. 2. The Moon landing would cost as much as landing on a nearby planet. 3. Landing robots and rovers on Mars will reset the history of NASA's success. 4. Rather than sending a man to the Moon, sending a man to Mars will be more challenging for NASA. 5. The Moon is not forgotten, even NASA still has plans to resend humans there. Ladies and gentlemen, why are humans so interested in Mars? Many of the fiction inspired from the planet Mars, assuming my favorite Martian, DC comic Martian Manhunter, the movies like The Martian. The Lewis, who is assistant professor in Earth and Planetary Science at Johns Hopkins University, explained that human interest in Mars is just like that human interest in the Egyptian pyramid, both of which indicate dynamic changes over time. Once around 35 billion years ago, Mars was thought to contain water and have life. And what, until now, has Mars turned into a desert planet? The temperature of Mars right now is about 62 degrees Celsius, which does not support water on any surface. In addition, Mars is the second planet closest to Earth and easier to explore. At the end of my speech, I would like to express my sincere thanks to the jury, teachers, and friends. apologize for words or anything that displeases you, and to God ask for forgiveness. Thank you very much and good morning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.